So the overall workflow is to install a TypeScript generator application inside of my Contentful space, and that will give me types that I can copy and paste into uh, the Next.js project. So to do that, I'll switch over to Contentful userland, and this is an organization under GitHub. And we'll scroll down to the generator project. And this is a command line tool, so you can use it locally on your computer. There's another option where you can install it inside of your Contentful space, and that's what I'm going to do. Click Browser Usage and the generator app. Then scroll down to the Install button. And I'll select my space, General, Master Environment. Okay, let me try that one more time. There we go. So you need to give it authorization access. That's because the app is running remotely inside of a, I believe it's a Netlify website, and it's going to communicate with your space using the Contentful APIs. So do your own due diligence here if you want to authorize it or not. I'm going to. And click on Install. Okay, now under Apps in the menu, I can see the generator. And here's the types for all of the models in my space. And there's some additional configuration options. You can include documentation, type guards, as well as some extra response types. And these are useful if you're using chain modifiers with the Contentful SDK. So just copy this whole thing and switch over to code. I've set up this file under the common in a common folder. Paste that in. Okay, now we've got the types in the project, and I need to actually retrieve the data from Contentful and then use the types to map the data structure of the response for TypeScript. So inside of Git products, I'm going to create a Contentful client. And this is just the Contentful SDK. So I've already installed it as a dependency. Okay, the next step is to fetch the products. I'm going to use the client, and I'm going to use the without unresolvable links chain modifier. And what this does is it just ensures that any deleted content in Contentful or any unpublished content is filtered out of the response. Then get entries. And for the generic, I'm going to select the product skeleton, which is what we copied over from the generator. And I'm only interested in the product type. Okay, and that's it. Return the items. So this is going to return an array of typed products. So if I switch over to the home page, we'll import that get products function. And then map out the products. So this is mapping out products to product, and all of the fields are typed. So product, you'll notice that the autocomplete works. Condition, description, image, price, these all match the fields that I created. I'll choose title and save. And there we go. So this works out pretty well for me. I can change the model in Contentful, add new things, delete things, and then just regenerate the types, copy and paste it into the project, and build.